Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to look at the top 3 best and most beautiful themes for your Huawei Nova 9 SE. After watching this video, don't forget to write in the comments which theme you like the most. So on the first place in our top is a theme called Tiger Free. To install this theme, open Themes application, find here Search area and find here Tiger Free. Not river, but tiger. Click on it and install and apply it. So theme was already applied, and as you can see, this theme brings the old system icons to your system, and for those people who have been using Huawei devices for a long time, it will give a nice nostalgic feelings. So this theme was on the third place in our top, but on the second place in our top is theme called Snow Mist Hazy. So find here Snow Mist Hazy theme. Click on it and apply this theme. Cool. This beautiful theme redraws all icons, not system icons only, and in addition you get a redesigned dialer app and messaging app. It's a snow theme. So on the first place in our top is the Yapu theme. To install this theme, open Theme Store and find here Yapu. Click on it and apply this theme. As you can see, this theme redraws all your icons to special cartoon style. This theme makes your device cartoonish, but the system applications are not affected in any way. A nice usable desktop, usable home screen interface allows you to take your mind off the seriousness of everyday life and sometimes even to smile. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to smile more often. Bye.